In this lesson, you will learn some general words related to time. The first word is spring, that is haru. Haru. Next is summer, that is natsu. Natsu. Autumn is aki. Aki. Winter is fuyu. Fuyu. Morning is asa. Asa. Noon is hiru. Hiru. Evening is yoru or ban. Yoru or ban. Early evening is yugata. Yugata. Now is ima. Ima. Yesterday is kino. Kino. Today is kyo. Kyo. Tomorrow is ashita. Ashita. Yesterday morning is kino no asa. Kino no asa. This morning is kesa. Kesa. Tomorrow night is ashita no yoru. Ashita no yoru. The day before yesterday is ototoi. Ototoi. Tonight is konya. Konya or konban. Konban. The day after tomorrow is asatte. Asatte. Last week is senshu. Senshu. This week is konshu. Konshu. Next week is raishu. Raishu. The week before last is sensenshu. Sensenshu. The week after next is saraishu. Saraishu. Last month is sengetsu. Sengetsu. This month is kongetsu. Kongetsu. Next month is raigetsu. Raigetsu. The month after next is saraigetsu. Saraigetsu. Last year is kyonen. Kyonen. This year is kotoshi. Kotoshi. Next year is rainen. Rainen. The year before last is ototoshi. Ototoshi. The year after next is sarainen. Sarainen.